Good morning, everybody. My name is Casey Burnett. We're going to do a 6-part video series about starting a savings group. This is something that's very important in community development, and it's important for you to watch this so you can understand how you can start a savings group with your own employees, or maybe a group in your family, or a group of farmers. And this is a way to have access to credit that is better than going to a bank. It's better than going to an outside institution. And it's a very creative and very effective way to help develop people's financial capabilities. So I have my friend Renel Dakanai, and he's going to be doing this training. We did this for our own employees, and so far it's been really good. So let us know your feedback. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you can be updated when we release the following episodes. It's going to be a total of 6 episodes. This is episode 3 of 6.
Kagahapon ang dili gyud nako malimtan sa ako ang mga nadunggan is maayo dahil nata AIDS. Action, intention, discipline, and sustainability. And other thing is kaning kung mag-save ta, ma-confident sa ma-discipline ta about impulsive buying kay para sa ko napod yung ingana nga kuan ugali bisan may kwarta nagit time nga wala pay kwarta pero tungod kay kuan lagi impulsive buyer. So tapos sa pag-save food makatabang sa ato in times of crisis. Yun pa nila kung may isinusok may madudukot. So kana lang.
Thank you. Wow. Other than that, Napa, do we still have more anybody who wanted to volunteer? So,
Akong i-share is about sa katong story about saan. So, ang akong na-learn ato is dapat gyud mag-save ta para sa umaabot nga kanang manginahanglan ta, napud ka nang makuha bitaw. And dapat food is kanang if mag-save ta, kabalo pud ta og kanang pa like i-work bitaw ang money, dili lang kay i-save lang nato siya, need po nato mag-invest in order nga kanang mulihok ang kwarta kay maski matulog ta galihok ang kwarta because gina-invest nato in business or other things.
Okay.
So proud of you.
Kanang na-bless ko kang kuya kay kanang bitaw ang desisyon na ato pagabuhaton karon na agad siya resulta in the future. So whether it is good or bad, so kanang kinahanglan ginato mag-save kay wala ta kabalo sa mga uncertainties sa dayon gabon. So kana salamat gyud sa pagtulong sa mga
Yay!
So, good afternoon everyone. So, based akong na recap yesterday, what I have remember is about the needs and wants. So, we must priority our needs aside sa wants. Kaya naman makakita ka mga nindot ka mga butang. Once, ganahan ko ani, palito na ako ni. So, set aside lang sa mas priority na itong atong mga needs. And since IT man ko, and nakoy nari sa programming, nakauna ko, what if mag-create ko system nga about i-monitor na ko nga ako ang expenses and ako ang savings. So, ingani siya, ang kumbaga may expenses and savings monitoring system. Ingana siya. Kumbaga, ang kana siya nga system is, like for example, within just 1 month, starting June 1 to June 30, mag-input ka og data. For example, na siya yung mga categories. First category is, akong gasto sa fleeting, ani. Next na category is akong gasto sa kaon. Tapos next category is akong savings. Next category is gasto na ko sa mga unnecessary nga things. So every day, mag-input ka og data nga nagasto nimo. And then, at the end of the month, makita ni imong mga nagasto or ang total. So may evaluate ni mo sa self, sa kaon dako kay ko nagasto kabot sa ko ngayon ay sa fleeting ani ako nagasto ang ako na save sa kanina bulan kay ani. So grabe siya ka helpful sa ato kay kuan na to ba ma-adjust na to atong self and ma-control na to kung nahata nagsobra, ahata nagkulang. So, mara po ta pong application.
Okay, so thank you. Salamat no. Daghan gyud ay og na we learn a lot on the So by the way, I would like to ask permission that I will sit down for the rest of the session for this afternoon kay medyo busy, no? Medyo kanya labad akong ulo. We were struggling aside from the news coming from Butuan, that one of our pastor was immediately run to the hospital due to pass out siya. Related sa heart. Oh, okay. Understand the purpose of savings. Oh, that's the. So yesterday was focused on the individual financial education, individual mindset, individual character change. So tanan to nakita ninyo, no? We saw we were able to discuss that if we can synthesize it, if you are going to recall that the information all the information yesterday was focused on individual sa inyo, about you saving, about your character. So this time we will be focusing on if you will be organized. So organizational structure, organizational na. Okay? Next. Sige, recognize the big need of savings in the community. And last, ang ikatulo, study the elements of sustainable savings program. So the first topic that we will be having is what should we do, no, what to do with savings. Okay, assuming nag-save na, assuming we already have contribution, assuming we already have collections. So the question is what to do. What should we do with that? Okay, so savings needs to be used for business to earn. Savings is useless if it only sleeps. Just like what I have shared to you yesterday, before our marriage, diba? I told you that I decided to deposit a certain amount in the bank in a time deposit. So expecting that there will be an income, there will be a high interest rate and such. But unfortunately, mas malaki pa yung mas malaki pa yung tax kasi automatic eh. Hindi mo pa na withdraw, kinunan na. So sometimes it's like that. So what to do? It is very important that after we reach certain amount, tapos na-observe natin if we can already analyze that the amount being accumulated is already ideal for engaging into business transaction or economic activity, then do it. Don't wait for the cockroach to eat all your sometimes it's like that. So but this time, savings is very savings must be used, must be activated, must be used to earn money. Okay, why? Ito yung problema. Okay, yan. The problem is because we need to engage our savings into income generating activity, because if we don't, our money value will be defeated by inflation. The purchasing power of the money will decrease as the price increase. Makaabot na ng after the time that we reach the ideal amount, when when we decide later, if ever, hopefully, no, if we can decide later to start saving. So of course, saving is just step one. Hindi yun siya end point. This savings is not the period, but it's only a starting point. Okay? So we wanted to okay, then the next is okay, so importante. Okay, right now I am giving you idea that as much as possible, as early as possible, we need to start. Why? It is viable. It is not wasted. What? No? So these are the indicators. Una, okay, first, parati lang yung sinasabi ng mga magulang natin, kulang, ganito, ganyan. Most of the parents engage in loans. Kuha sa dito sa tindahan o na lang sa, kuha sa bugas. So, ibig sabihin, there's a big family financial need. So, if we start saving and then use it i-increase the income generation of the family will increase as well. Okay? So, second na indication kung bakit potential na if we are going to save, it will definitely have an impact in your life, in your finances, is that daghan unsa daw? Oh. Diba? Butang, di ba yung ano mo, have you experienced that in your
Puluga man.
yung parang puli-puli, tapos puli-pu o paluwagan, tapos puli-puli mo og dawat. Oh, baislat. Oh, yun. So ibig sabihin, if we have that, there's a possibility na instead of doing that, why not? Diba? So ibig sabihin, nganong sa Bombay pa man, dito na lang dito sa Ahos. No, di ba? Why sa 5-6? No, if we can borrow it from our organization. Instead of the lender will be the one who will be benefited, or the lender will become richer and richer, so why not return the money on yourselves, di ba? So ganun. Next, before banks are charging high interest rates, right now even banks are competing in just to lure borrowers. Even sa inyo siguro, nanay mga text, promo, sa amon na. So it's like that. So but pasabot, these are indicators that there's a big need. And then if we are going to organize that savings, I'm sure that it will not only be a savings, it will be another income generation to you. Okay? Next. Okay. So ngano man adunay dako nga panginahanglan, there is a big need for regular and sustainable savings. Why? No? Why daw? Ngano man, why? Okay, these are the reality of our society. Sometimes when crisis arise, when crisis, no, may mga economic crisis and all, usually the person we keep blaming are the government. Pero may question. Since nagkaroon ka ng pag-iisip, I mean, since kung sa Bisaya pa nagkaroon kang buot, naka-recall mo nga ang gobyerno naglungag sa inyo. Di ba kamo? So that's the aron we need to another term for that is we need to develop capacity building by not depending on what the government program should be. If you keep on waiting on the government program, then maglurat imong mata sa kagutom. Idilat yung mata mo sa gutom. You will be just waiting for nothing. Okay, so capacity building. The target here is to empower each one of you. Kaya ko pala, why should I wait? Wherein I can with what I have. Okay. What are we going to do is before for me, of course for Miguel. Sorry, Megs. Sige, Megs.
In order to address one's desire to improve living that cannot be given by
Oh,
government,
yeah, that's why it's very important to say, so that we can start addressing the need of individual ourselves. Tayo yung gagawa. Huwag na tayong mag-antay. Parang so far sa dami-dami ng problema sa buhay, larger scope yung problema nationwide eh. So of course, ano lang yung mata-target nila ng mga sector. If we wait that the government will address our specific need, baka yung iba sa inyo magbinyo na, ang uban sa inyo pila na yung anak. So sometimes it's like that. So we will start. No? The government has already helped us enough. At least accessible to education, at least to help us. There are things na hindi naman talaga lahat problema sa government. Ang problema is how can we use the things or the intellect or the educational development or the personal development that we have already in real life application. So kung wala talagang kung sa tingin natin na wala talagang nangyari, wala talagang magandang nagawa yung government, ibig sabihin wala tayo ngayon. Wala ka sa nararating na kung saan ka ngayon. You were not able to have that kind of education, at least compared. Imagine a lot of people are longing to be educated but wasn't able to do so, and yet here you are, diba? So at least let's start doing that. So before moving forward, alam niyo yung walis tingting, stick bro, yeah, composed of tingting, diba? Try to imagine, wala eh. Nag-try kami na gusto na sana namin mag-drop by sa kasi gusto ko na ano natin dito, pero wala. Pero anyway, at least nakita natin. Silig tukog kung sa Bisaya pa, walis tingting. Stick broom, broomstick. Tama ba? Broomstick o stick broom? Baka barbecue ang labas nila. Okay, stick broom. Broomstick. Oh yeah, broomstick. So, it composed of individual, diba, coconut na. How about if we are going to use a single stick and then use it to clean this area or to clean outside area? Yes. So, what do you think? Dugay. So it will take time. So the efficiency of the cleaning is not the same. Kasi syempre, pero pag tinali mo siya, you are going to tie it in one bunch and then use it as a cleaning tool. Faster, easier, and efficient kasi malilinis, tama? So it's the same. Each one of us are like stick in the broom. If we are going to work, if we are going to work hard as individual, it will take you long time, and then you will only achieve little. But if we can help each other, sharing each other, even if we are limited, at least my limit plus your limit, we share each other, we can do something. Let's say, my income, ang kaya ko lang i-save ngayon is 50 pesos. 50 pesos cannot be used in business. What if you can save 52? What if 100? Tapos pag inad natin yung lahat, sabihin natin nakaabot na 2,000. 2,000 has something rather than having the 50 pesos, right? So ibig sabihin, you can start thinking of something out of the 2,000 from the group rather than the 50 pesos. Probably you wanted to start with buy and sell. You go to the Thrifty Mart or Thrifty, okay. Or you can, or let us say, you do this here. You're staying here whole day for the day shift or even how many hours for the night shift? The same? Oh, the same hours. Pero ginugutom kaya minsan. Or minsan talagang you are struggling with the cold air cold. Instead of going outside, what if we are going to use that 2,000, we should buy instant cup noodles or di kaya mga biscuits. Dito tayo bibili. Dito tayo, tapos di ba? Or yung mga basic. So it's like that. So at least instead of going there, sila yung kumita, sila yung nadagdagan yung financial capacity, samantalang ikaw nawalan. Pero kung dito ka bumili, kumain ka na, na-address yung need mo, at the same time, pagdating ng araw, babalik din sa'yo ang pera. Tama?
Sa kusina. Kusina raw din sa.
Okay? So, okay lang, wala tayong question, walang clarification. We don't have that kind of are we clear on that?
Yes.
Okay? So, next is what are the elements? No? The elements of a sustainable savings. Siyempre, are you convinced? So, are you into the direction na magkakaroon ng savings ang mga savings activity or group itong
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sige. Okay, so
Sagot ko, naniwala.
so if you don't have questions anymore with regards to why it is needed to be used for economic activity or to be used in business, so we will go to the elements now. We are going to organize. In order to organize, these are the things that we need. Okay? So sige. First is, of course, adunay policy, savings policy o has a savings policy. Hindi pwedeng wala. Because dapat these are the characteristic of a policy. One is nauyunan or agreed upon. Hindi yung si sir lang, hindi yung si ma'am lang, or hindi yung si pastor lang. Dapat it was agreed upon by the body. Hindi pwedeng so dapat pag-usapan. Ano ba yung mga dapat, ano ba yung mga hindi dapat, ano ba yung mga provision, ano ba yung mga sanction. It should be agreed upon. Next, written. Di pwedeng verbal. Makakalimutan yun eh. You will tend to forget that. Ha? Balimtan, manggali daw ang written.
Balintan ng uyab.
Oh, good. Oh, ma. Hubot good kayo si pastor. No? Ay, dapat kung mayroon nang agreed upon na policy, so it should be written. Kasi yun yung basihan pag may mga insidente over time. Okay? Next is implemented. Aside from written, it should be implemented. Hindi yung we are going, anyway, kita-kita raman. No, hindi. What was written, what was agreed upon, yun yung talaga. Regardless of magkaibigan, regardless of friendship, regardless of bloodline, policy will be policy. Good. It will safeguard. Regardless of gaano pa kalakas ng boses ni chairman, gaano pa ka matapang si treasurer at kung sino-sino pa dyan, kung ano yung policy, what was the policy, yun yung last say. Okay? Kaya, there's no such thing as no, wala. No, there's no such thing as secret agreement and all. So what was the policy? Yun talaga. But at least, it will safeguard the organization, the welfare not just of the one, but the benefit of the everybody. Okay? So, of course, you will be able to build applicable policies like you cannot borrow beyond your capital share. Kaya kung let's say your capital share is 10,000 tapos because the treasurer is your friend and then she allows or he allows you to borrow 15,000 and then basin ba no hiram lipay-lipay bayad likay-likay. Sometimes it's
So,
like
saan agad siya? Mga 8?
depende. So, kaya nga, uyunan. Kung gusto ninyo at least 100%, wala mo nag-after sa iyan, ay problema. Kung gusto niyo 80% lang, depende. Okay, so the second element, ang una is policy man to. The second element to make it sustainable is magdumala og mga membro. Of course, savings will not thrive without members. Savings will not thrive without management personnel. So, with regards to members and management team, these are the at least criteria. It should be committed. Okay, committed. Okay, so it will start. If the savings is on the starting stage, most likely it's all voluntary. Wala akong we didn't have any savings group which started that has already an honorarium. Kasi magsisimula pa lang kayo. You will just start. You will just building up the capital. So wala pang revenue, wala pang financial transaction. So most likely yung mga officers, purchaser, yung treasurer, yung auditor, volunteer. Most likely it's like. Okay? So it should be committed. You see the bigger picture. Long term, not the instant gratification. It's better to have delayed gratification kasi sustainable kaysa sa gratify mo ngayon tapos kawawa ka later on. Okay? So committed. Then sincere. Of course. Parang love, di ba? Parang relationship. It should be committed.
Amen.
Okay? Next is honest. 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 Because we will be talking of money. We will be working with money. Tapos may mga prices, may mga let's say in school we implemented that honesty store, di ba? Walang tindero, walang tindera. Kukuha ka lang doon tapos so far, buhay naman. So, yun. Yung isa sa ano. Okay, next. Another element in a good savings, ano day sang vision, pananawon sa pag-uswag o paglambo. So in English, as a common vision to improve and grow. Hindi yung ngayon lang, anyway, ito kasi he wanted the bigger picture, sustainable. Okay? So, of course, it requires age. Okay? So, dream without action, according to Rick Warren, ano to yun?
Man without vision, nation will perish.
Diba? Pag wala daw vision, walang patutunguhan. Wala. So, in order to have that kind of growth and improvement, it requires action, it requires intentional. Hindi yung, sige, appeal na lang ko, or maulaw, mag-book, sa mo ang, ako naman lang ang wala. Ano ba, no? So, peer pressure, no? Be intentional. Make sure you understand. You know the benefit and you know the consequences. No? Discipline. Of course, syempre, the discipline of hindi yung kailangan siguro na yung treasurer pa, mangolekta ko. Automatic na. Ay, kahit na not collection date, you know, you will already give. Not necessary one time. Kasi, di ba, we learned it yesterday that your savings must be based on your income. Be realistic. Don't deposit 5,000 at once tapos pagdating sa bahay, di lang sa ta mo palit og bugas sa kay ako sa gising ng 5,000. Hindi yun. Oh, it's not like that. So, discipline. So, we will discuss that later. Okay? So, kung wala na, of course, okay, next element of a good savings or sustainable savings is it should have a regular review, inventory, or audit. So, that is why you have a regular meeting. Regular apa? Yes.
So what is regular, like monthly or yearly?
Yeah, it depends on your agreement. It depends on your agreement. You will agree. Like for us in school, at least once a month na yun, no? Wala. Quarter.
That's a lot.
Depende sa inyo.
That's a lot of numbers to do every month.
At least you review. Uy, kumusta na ang contribution? Are everybody contributing or is it good to engage in business na ba? Or baka kulang pa, so we third savings. Just like here, in business, di ba? In running this business, so we need to monitor. We need to audit, cash in, cash out. So it's like that also in the savings. Cash in and cash out. Ilang porsyento, how much was used to purchase for the canteen, how much was used for the loan, how much was used for the administrative. Yes.
So how open is this meeting? For example, let's say Anna contributed. Should we announce how much contribution?
No, it doesn't. So
Okay.
later we will discuss the group ledger and individual ledger.
Okay.
So that there will be parang passbook.
I asked you this question last night.
Yeah.
But can this savings group, can it buy land? Can it buy assets?
Yes, if the finances is available. Yes.
Atong pondo ba?
Okay, follow up. Okay, the purpose of the meeting aside from follow up. Okay, review ang savings measures and policy. Because policy are not applicable or needs to be revised. Okay? So that's the purpose of regular meeting. Next. Okay, collection reminders. During the meetings, yes sir.
Alright, so once you're started, let's say that I put in some money and let's say 10,000 pesos. And then I had an emergency and I needed 10,000 pesos. How long does it take to get the cash?
If the cash is available, just fill up the borrower's agreement and then it can be released.
Same day, is it like
Yeah.
e-cash or like
Yeah, it depends on the agreement. As of now, so far, it depends on the day. It depends on the confidence of every member. Because if the members are committed, sincere and honest, I don't think even at a short at a certain amount or a certain level of amount, you are not pressured to open an account or not. Kung masaligan lang. Okay? So okay. Next element, paghatag og incentive sa maayo mo tigom. Oh, give incentive to good savers. So it will encourage kanang participation. So pag maayo ka mo save, maayo ka mo
5 pesos.
ang kurbat mo ba? Okay, so of course for Miguel, ano to? Oh, ayun. It encourage members to in participating and responsibly pay their obligation. So incentives, it will okay. Okay. Naay duha ka klase, the two types of members.
Guwapa o
Guwapa o guwapa o guwapo. Ah, himayad o hingutang daw. The good payer and the good credit borrower. Okay. So active member and passive member. Yes, we have that. Active member and passive member. So they are classified into. So
higit pa sa contribution.
dili. Okay, mo ni siya. Pag moingon tag active member, ingon ani ni siya. This is the benefit, this is the incentive. He can receive dividend. He can also receive patronage refund or patronage bonus. Why? Active member meaning dito siya nagborrow sa savings group. Dito siya gapalit sa savings group. So nagatabang siya nga mo increase. So bud pasabot na siya aside sa dividend na siya contribution. So that is why aside sa katong net income na pay patronage refund. Then when we say passive member, usually another term for that is depositor lang. Yung nakisali, halimbawa, ako, if ever we would encourage you today, tapos magbibigay na ako ng certain contribution, of course, nasa butuan kami. Alangan naman pupunta ako weekly dito para bibili. Di ba? Cup noodles.
Lami ba naman cup noodles?
I would travel, I will spend 1,300 full tank sa sasakyan just to buy cup noodles. Really, so, pero gusto ko, I wanted to join. So, I will belong to the passive member. So, depositor ang labas. So, in terms of dividend, only percentage. Hindi yung halimbawa based on computation at the end of the year, the dividend would be 50% of your capital. Ay, depositor lang ako, di nga ako nakabili kahit candy. So, ibig sabihin, mababa kaysa sa dividend ng lahat. Kasi yung makukuha na extra na binawa sa kanya, yun yung magiging patronage bonus ng mga members. Kasi wala akong na-contribute eh. I did not borrow, I did not buy. I just contributed to the capital. So, depositor lang ako. Okay? So, those are the two types of members. Question. Pangutana. Clarification. Okay. So, kung wala na, of course, the next element is the record keeping. Okay. So, savings group ledger. So, nakalagay dun. Of course, members. Kung ilan yung total members, nandyan. Information, birthday niya, kailan siya sabihin na sorry, hindi ko na na-edit. Halimbawa, in a month, mayroong ilang weeks. Nagbigay siya, monthly contribution. Depende sa kanya. Maybe yung iba, certain week, wala siya. Okay lang. So, remark, ito yung total niya. Tapos, i-attest or i-validate ng treasurer na yun talaga ang nabigay niya. Kasi, pag naglagay ka ng amount dito, tapos it will not jibe with the cash on hand, agoy.
It's in your pocket.
It's in your pocket talaga.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is a group. So at least, you can use columnar or kahit na malaking notebook, okay na yun. No? At least nakalagay dun. Then, savings individual ledger. Ito yung individual, parang passbook kung sa bangko. Okay? So, pangalan, include ang spouse, no? Pangalan sa kapikas. Address, pizza na tao, birthday, ayun, yung basic lang. So, date, kung kailan siya nagbigay. Of course, kung makaprovide ng OR receipt na talagang nag-deposit siya, then the amount. So, total na, outstanding balance, remark, signature. Parang bangko lang din. Ganun yung mangyayari. So, question. How much are you spending in a loan on a monthly basis? Load. Ay, wala kang gasto.
Siguro mga kung mga emergency, mga butang 20 siguro, 30. 50 lang.
Wala. Or sa may mga yes.
Sa kay every 15 days may mag-load, 200 every time,
Oh, to.
199, but then na convenience fee, 201 per load, so that's 400 every month.
Dalawa.
Just one.
Just one.
Yeah,
So, nakukonsume nyo lahat?
we don't know. But every time we need to call somebody, we don't have a load.
Oh.
So I'm just like a regular, every 15 days I will get a load.
Sige, the point I asked you kung ano yung mga expenditures ninyo because I wanted to challenge you. Can we surrender the 50% of it and start it right now? Or hindi, not necessary load kung ano yung mga nyo. Let's say, ilang beses ka sa Jollibee? Yun naman. Yung so, look for an area in your life wherein doon ka saan yung leak?
Yeah. So kuya, nag-budget man sila. So last time na nag-budget sa ganito sa party
Sa fun.
sa fun.
Fun.
Yeah.
Fun.
Oh, Coke.
Ako pang this man niya, 50% ako no, so thankful.
Is every day. 50% simple.
Oh, yeah. I mean, oh, sige. Oh, hindi 50. Oh, sabihin natin. Oh, sige. Let's go to 25%. At least. Okay. My point is, identify the leaks in your financial activity. My point is ganito. If this is the faucet, and then you wanted your bucket to be filled with water, and then with the full knob open, akala mo puno na siya. Pero may leak pala. Kaya mong talian para yung entire is pupunta doon. I mean, how often is that? Taga-adlaw. Taga-adlaw, tag-Gs, so in a week you have 50 pesos. Oh, can we get the 2 days Coke and put it in savings? I mean, it depends on you. I mean, you decide. You keep the Coke and let the doctor have the savings because when time comes, your body will give up. Instead of you having a savings, the doctor will have a money. Who wants to volunteer to become our treasurer for the meantime while Okay. Right now I am challenging so we already discussed all the things and so I asked them, are you convinced with the savings? Do you see the bigger picture? Do you want to join? I said. And then if yes, then I am challenging you right now. We will start. So how much can you surrender as your first savings? Si Omar, 100. Hindi. Kailangan ko na hindi ko. Meron
Sige, Mali.
Treasurer. Si treasurer, si Homer nagbigay ng 100. Si Homer nagbigay ng 100. Si Ma'am Judy 200.
Surrender my cellphone.
Si Margaret 100. Listen. Don't be pressured baka natatakot kayo kasi 100, 200 itong nauna. You can, kung 10 pesos lang, walang problema. 50 pesos.
Ay, kuhaan ninyo ang inyong kartas. May 200. Ito yung gitigom last time. 200 man to, di ba? Hulat lang kadali, hulat lang kadali.
Saka naka-apply pagkakansiya.
Yeah, mag-open mo yung cash box.
Unhaan daw kayo.
Si
Tungaan.
Mix 20.
Si
Sa kanya 5. Okay na. Ilagay.
Tungaon.
Okay. Remind yourself
Hatag ninyo
your
sa...
savings must be realistic with your income. Baka kasi yung iba sa inyo parang ano-ano lang. Di ko alam, di ko kilala. Ako palingkor, patindugon din.
Ayaw ko itong wala pa.
So, magsugot lang ang lahi nga savings.
Kinsay mo silbi sa 100.
Wala daw si Megs.
Hindi, na ano siya? Naglagay siya 20.
Kasi kaulo kasi singkor kang gibutang kasi.
I want to give, but
Oh, Jiso, jacket.
give, but I'll be giving my poster. Or else you're gonna walk.
Star, you want to Jis.
Ikaw,
Walang problema. Initial ano naman ito, pwede naman. Halimbawa, bukas, mayroon kang nakitang leak pa na iba. So, pwede mong ibigay bukas.
Pwede mo yung ma...
Oo, pwede. Kasi, the frequency of savings depends on your financial capability.
Mama,
Diba?
pressure ko mabag ko. Kailangan mga lasingko, ma'am. Pwede.
Ano na lang eh. Butangan. So, kuya na lang or ano. So, pwede ano din. Para mas convenient, mas efficient if we can have a GCash account.
Ako yung Gcash, pwede na ako ipag-
Ay, halimbawa, para sa amin, alangan naman mag-travel kami dito tapos, oy, may 100 oh. So, pwede yung Gcash, diba? So, we can we, do you have a Gcash? Or can we open a GCash account for the group? So that, I mean, para sa amin, we belong to the second membership, the depositor, kasi di kami makakabili, di din kami makakabaro, time would come. Pero we wanted to encourage you and we wanted to join kahit na malayo.
Wait a minute.
So,
Someone, Aura. Madi. Aura.
50 ka ora.
50 ka Aura.
Okay, regarding sa frequency, wala pa naman tayong, kasi kasali kami. We didn't have yet agreed frequency of meeting and all. So, as long as we are still on the stage of building up our capital. So, with regards to that, you can squeeze it in your schedule at least siguro once a week, starting next week or starting this week. You are going to discuss how much will be the flooring share, how much will be the maximum share, so that we can already use the money for business. O then pag-usapan nyo what kind of business. Of course, the first day, so of course, yun yung magiging ano nyo eh. That will be the basis for the savings policy. The savings policy is for let's say personal loan, emergency loan, depende sa inyo, or for trade and commerce, para bibili kayo ng goods, tapos instead na bumili kayo sa palengke, dito kayo lang bibili. Dadali nyo yung diba? Kaya lang, at least we wanted you to experience by exercising on our part as yung second member. Depositor lang kami, so
1,630.
Like 5?
Daw, 35.
Kasi ako 5.
hindi na ipa
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,000.
500.
600. 30.
Ako 5 pa 6.
Kani kan joy na eh.
Oy, yun na yung piso ko ha.
1. Oh, 1 ka ni. 35. 135. 1,635.
Sakto.
Kaya dahil 5 ni Joy na natago.
Ang may mga
1,635. 1,635?
1605.
Ano sa tipa ka ni? Pastor na, pastor. Balance ra.
Ah, okay. Wow.
Namoy trust na ako ning invest sa apa.
Oh, pastor.
So as of now, who will be
1.5 kanang yeah, coins.
okay? So how much did we raise for the first challenge? 1635. Oh, palakpakan. So as of now, I would encourage you since this will be the end for the first session. And we will be meeting again on the 3rd week of June. Okay, so you will start discussing among yourselves how much will be the flooring, how much will be the ceiling contribution, and then what will be the economic activity that we are going to engage in, so that it will earn revenue. So at this okay, and then of course you will start building the policy for the loan kasi darating tayo doon. So emergency loan, so depende kung ano yung tawag nyo, pwede ding employees credit cooperative or credit mobilization group or employees credit association, depende sa inyo, no?
Angels Association.
So it depends. So ibig sabihin ganun. So name, what are the, then with regards to the goal of the goal, initial goal for the total principal savings, so na gusto nyo na magamit na sa so that you can start engaging in business. And let's say we will at least target 20,000. Then after that, we will start using the 20,000 for income generation. So ibig sabihin, dapat yung frequency ng savings nyo. So as much as possible, mas maganda divide para at least equal chances. Let's say pag nag-target kayo ng 20,000, divide among the members para at least equal ang opportunity of shares. Initial lang yun. Pero pwede, while building, wala pa naman. Kung gusto nyo dagdag, kasi we will still discuss what will be the ceiling or the maximum contribution per member. So yun yung target niya. Don't forget, develop a character of savings in a 1 year, not in one setting.
Yes.
It will become a burden. Let's say you will agree, okay, we will have 15,000 max. So tapos you are going to target that in 2 to 3 months. That is very pressure. So 1 year. So then you will decide at the end of 1 month, you inventory how much is the money now. Then you will decide, is it okay to use the money? Is it advisable na? Is it okay na for business or for lending? Depende sa inyo kung lending. Hiramin mo yung 20 pesos mo. Pangpamasahe.
Yeah. So we probably could consider meeting after your payday or the day after the payday.
We're doing it as a Bible study because we're doing it's on every other Tuesday, it's every other week. It's the schedule. So
Well, it doesn't always fall when they're here. Yeah.
Okay. Sige. Okay, suggestion. What will be the structure of our meeting? At least the 4 W's. Okay? 4 W's. You just have it in 1 hour. 1 hour lang. Huwag niyong, baka may mga asawa or may mga boyfriend, girlfriend na magagalit na nag-aantay dyan yung motor sa labas. Okay? 1 hour, these 4 W's at least present siya in a regular meeting, in our meeting. I mean.
Okay.
So the 4 W's are welcome. Okay? Welcome, that is at least 5 to 10 minutes. Welcome. So, how are you? Okay, that is one. Welcome. Number 2, second W is word. Don't allow to have a meeting without God's word. So, at least that is another 20 minutes, so 10, 20, tama? 20 minutes. Okay? So, word. Share. Mayroon kayong values enhancement kumbaga. Okay, values enhancement. Then the third is work. So of course, you discuss relating to the operation of the savings. Work.
Now na.
Okay? So, ilang minutes na ba yan? 10,
30 minutes.
30. Oh, so, another 25 minutes for work. So, doon pag-usapan nyo yung, oy, magsisave ako, oy, magpo-purchase tayo. Doon yung gawin. Doon yung pag-usapan. Then, wrap up. And, wrap up yung huli. So, when will be the next meeting? What will be the next schedule? Ano yung next indulgement? Wrap up. So, of course, yun sa welcome, doon yung opening prayer. Sa wrap up, doon yung closing prayer. Ganun lang. Simple. Okay? So far that's the any question before I will move on to the last second to the last slide I mean. Okay. I will give you an idea with regards to the savings, yung frequency. Divide the 52 sessions or 52 meeting in 1 year. So i-divide nyo yun. So ibig sabihin, doon din kayo mag-save. Kasi meron akong dinesign dito na 52 values enhancement during meeting. So ibig sabihin, every meeting, yun yung
Topic.
biblical discussion niya. It talks about money and stewardship. Okay? So, I will. Sige. Wala nang tanong? Gusto nang umuwi ng iba? Wala ba? May 2 minutes pa. Tama ba?
Yes.
So, okay. Megs, do you have question? Do you have clarification?
Yeah. So when we're gonna discuss about, like the corporate policy and everything.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
It's required all of us, or
As much as possible, it would be great if all of the members would be included during the building and discussion of the policy. What should be included, what should not be included, so that it will be it will develop gratefulness in you as you work. It will develop ownership. It will develop willingness. Kasi this is the problem if only 1 or 2 builds the policy or made the policy. Sometimes it doesn't address all.
Yeah.
So don't worry, it will not be, because I will leave that as an assignment to you, and hopefully on the 3rd week when I come back here, when my family come back, God willing, so at least na my ano na, you already have at least draft policy. Draft policy. Okay? Inclusion, of course, look at the bigger picture. So if you wanted this employees credit association or employees business association, whatever name you would come up with, if you wanted to register it and becomes co-op, of course, you can aside from business policy,
you will start building or creating the bylaws because that will be needed for registration.
For the second.
Even co
Would they need an articles of incorporation too, or no, just the bylaws?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pastor, di ba yung ka every mag-meet, kaya na mahatag
Oh.
savings? How about
At least yun yung at least that would be the required. Pero if you can give it in advance or if sometimes the need arises that during the meeting you cannot give, it's fine. Wala problema.
Nakay-available
Oh,
na money,
yes.
niya, wala
Oh, that is why we have here okay, balik ta ha. Dali lang. Okay. Oh, balik ta. Of course, you can see the savings individual ledger has a date.
Ah,
So it varies. It varies. Not necessary na mag-wait pa ka sa meeting. What if basig magasto? You don't you wanted that your money should be safe instead of sales. Diba? So don't wait for the meeting. So okay. So what else? So regarding this, this is just example. So I will give that also to you so that it can have an ownership. You can make a logo, name of the savings group. Okay? And then you can make a format if you think it would be applicable or not. So generic lang na siya. No, generic lang yung pinigay.
Ghost credit daw pangalan.
Ghost credit. Yan, ghost credit.
Hindi mo bayad, kalagon.
Okay,
Okay ka
yun
na.
la, in our case, since we are not usually present here on a regular basis, so we encourage that we will have a GCash so that we can, even if we are only a depositor, we are not an active member. It will help build the capital. So, yun yung point namin. Kahit na malayo kami, the reason why we joined is that we wanted to help build faster capital so that we can engage in business. So, don't worry with regards to the next topic we will is the computation and all the same. So, we will discuss that.
So,
Yes.
for GCash, we're kind of struggling because of the IDs required. So,
I mean, we will just if we can only at least
One GCash.
well, we got almost everybody got go time. So Robinson, yeah.
Pero we only need one GCash account for
Yeah.
the entire group.
or
So do we need?
we can agree. We will deputize someone if somebody has already a GCash here. We can deputize. So we will. So she will be the one to receive, and then
Download lang man.
Huh?
mag-download lang. It's an app.
Well, mag-verify na sila, di ba? Kung wala
You have-
ID, dili maka-verify.
Yeah, let's agree. Who will? Whom
Si
among
treasurer
the
na
group?
lang. So, are we
Oh.
appointing Liza as the treasurer?
Yes!
Okay, so to end.
Ang Ginoo ang inyong Diyos kay siya ang nakatag kaninyo gawong aron kamo mga dato
Oy.
ining pagiha ipamangkutalan niya ang kasabutan nga iyang himotalan niya o sa iyang katibagan.
It's not because of us. It's not because of you. It's not because you are good in work or in good, but it's the Lord. Okay? So in English, okay.
Remember the Lord God, for it is He that bringeth His wealth and confirms His covenant, which is for your ancestors, and it is today.
Okay. The ability that we learn today, the ability that we learn during the three afternoons of lecture is not from me. it's from God. The ability that we had to earn that we earn money and had I started savings is not because you are good at computers, it's because of it. So we will glorify the Lord with it, and I know when the Lord will be blessed, the Lord will be glorified. He said, "Well done, good and faithful servant." Tapos He will add more. So yun. Okay. Of course, wala na ko ikasulti. Thank you. And